हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. One prayer to Sri Sita Ram Lakshman Hanuman. रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः. हरे कृष्णा. Ramanavami is approaching on 21st April. So to prepare our consciousness and mood to glorify Sri Ramachandra, I am starting this series on Ramayana. Whoever chants Lord Ram name once in their life, Lord Ram notes it down, their name, in the personal book of Ayodhya. Chanting the holy names of Rama has a great significance. The person who can never chant any holy name, a person who is accustomed to eat meat and whose tongue became so thick, such person was not able to chant holy name of Lord Rama once. Narada Muni approached such a Chandala once and he asked, please chant holy name Rama. The Chandala was not able to chant the holy name of Lord Rama. He was trying to chant da ma. His tongue was so thick eating meat whole life. Was not able to chant the holy name Rama. So Narada Muni so intelligently suggested him, instead of chanting Rama, you chant Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Ra. So following the instructions of Narada Muni, that Chandala started chanting Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Ra, Ma Rama, 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 Rama. So that's how one can chant the holy names of Lord Rama only by the mercy of Nacharyas, like Narada Muni. We were completely somewhere rottening in this middle world, but by the grace of Srila Prabhupada and his disciples and his followers, somehow we got introduced to this holy name Rama, and we are chanting these names Rama. There are so many benefits if anybody chants Rama. One gets liberation from the three modes of material nature. So once there was one Muslim who in a night, he went to a toilet to the forest to clear his stomach. So these Muslims, basically they hate pigs, abominable animals. That time when he sat for clearing his stomach, there is a forest pig approached this Muslim. As this forest pig is approaching this Muslim person, he started saying, Haram, 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 Haram. Out of fear, out of anxiety, he chanted this name. He indirectly, without having any conscience, but out of fear for death, he chanted Haram, Haram, Haram. So in due course of time, that forest pig attacked him and he once died there. But this story is narrated in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The Vishnudutas approached at that right time and they have taken the soul to the Vaikunta, the spiritual world. How come this happened? Because he chanted the name of Rama even indirectly. Haram. Haridas Thakur explains the glories of chanting holy name Rama. Even if he is jokingly chanting the Rama, still he gets the benefit. So in a house, wife telling to husband, आज मैं राजमा बनाया हूँ. Rajma, in the Rajma also she is chanting Rama, if you exclude Ja in between. एक दोस्त दूसरा दोस्त से बोल रहा है, one friend is telling to another friend, मेरा मकान उधर है. मेरा मकान, Rama. He has chanted the name Rama. Even it comes in two different words. He gets the benefit of chanting Rama. So, in this age of Kali, everybody is looking for Rama Rajya. If anybody takes the shelter of the chanting of the holy names Rama, he really experiences Rama Rajya in spite of having so duplicitous political leaders by taking shelter of Lord Rama. Thank you very much for hearing these few glories of holy name Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. For next few days, we will go more on this Ramayana. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.